Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you a feature in SmowCode which is a node called OTA. So an OTA is over the air node. What it does, its core feature and purpose is to download firmware updates over the air. So download a .bin firmware file from a given URL and write it to the OTA partition and reboot the device to boot it into the new firmware. So that's basically its core job. So OTA is used in production ready ESP32 systems where we want to remotely update the firmware without a physical access, and this is super useful for IoT devices as it updates it's like an update for your phone, and this is like an update for your IoT device, in our case our ESP. So this is once again the OTA template which you can access on SmowCode through projects, new and open ESP32 projects. The keyword for that is OTA, which you can search, and let's go through the flow once. So we have a couple of display statements, which is display Wi-Fi auto initialized in background, and we then display starting Wi-Fi. Then we connect to the Wi-Fi which your laptop or your PC is connected to. So I have connected to my Wi-Fi. You enter the SSID, which is the Wi-Fi name, the password, and you also mention how many times you want to retry the connection if it fails. So I have put the retry count as 5. If the connection fails, it's gonna retry 5 times. These are some Wi-Fi config properties. I'm not gonna change any of these, but you can change it if you want, but it mostly will remain same for every Wi-Fi, and we have some advanced features in that as well. So that is how you connect a Wi-Fi using SmowCode to your ESP32, and it gives us a success code. If the success code is 1, which means it's successfully connected to your Wi-Fi, then we display Wi-Fi connected, and then we display updating firmware via over-the-air updates, which is OTA. And then we have the OTA node, in which we give a URL, which is basically the URL where our bin file is, and it's gonna extract that bin file from the URL and update our ESP32, and then we just display OTA library ran successfully. So let's upload this code to our ESP32 and let's see the output. So the flashing is done. So let's see the serial monitor. Let's connect it to our ESP32. It's connected to the device. As you can see, it is connected to the Wi-Fi right here, Wi-Fi connected, and it starts updating the firmware via OTA. You see all these OTA, that the OTA is running right here, and then it updates everything which needs to be updated from the bin file. And as you can see, the update ends right here. So this is how you use OTA using SmowCode. If you want to update, or if you want to put in a bin file in your ESP32, this is how you do it, and this is extremely useful for all IoT devices. As I said, it's a remote update access, which SmowCode provides with the OTA node as well.